Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here guys you have to expand network adapters. Now right click on network adapter. It can be different in your case. Just click on uninstall device. Again click on uninstall. Now close it and restart. Hopefully guys after restart this issue will be fixed automatically. And guys after restart still you are facing error, so you can try second method. Click on start and select settings. Here guys click on network and internet. Now click here advanced network settings. And here the option network reset. Click on reset now and make sure once you reset you have to reinstall networking software like VPN client software or virtual device switches. And also guys you have to reinstall and re-enter password for your Wi-Fi connection. So click on reset and restart your PC and re-enter password for your Wi-Fi. So hopefully guys using these simple steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.